This video will describe how to solve the number one reason projects fail. Most projects do not deliver the expected result. Very often, project teams focus on symptoms and not the core problem. The number one reason projects fail is not following a custom project workflow. Companies use projects to implement change and create their future. They want employees to use the new software, follow the new procedure, and they want customers to buy the new product. When assigned a project, beginners in small to mid-size organizations usually wing it. Their organization has not provided a workflow for doing projects. We make it easy for experienced individuals, consultants, and PMOs to create customized project workflows for their end users. We simplify best practices and help reduce beginner uncertainty, confusion, and stress. That's why we developed Project Assistant, and specifically the workflow management feature. Users of the feature will build smart templates. They select a project to save as a private template. They then customize the workflow, project components, and advice for the intended end users. Groups are created to provide end-user members with access to specific templates. Members start projects using the custom templates created by experienced staff. As template creators publish updates, all projects that were created with the template automatically have access to the latest updates. This establishes a collaboration for continuous improvement. The benefits include: project startup is faster and more predictable. Teams know what to expect. Beginners learn best practices. Project results are improved. And companies establish a culture of continuously improving outcomes while building their desired future. Go to project-assistant.com and implement Project Assistant's workflow management. Let us know the benefits you experienced.